The Industrial Revolution, a turning point in human history. Imagine a world where everything is handmade: clothes, tools, and even the food you eat. Now, picture machines doing that work in a fraction of the time. That's the Industrial Revolution. Starting in the late 1700s, it marked a shift from manual labor to machine-based production, forever changing how we live and work. This revolutionary period began in Great Britain and spread to other parts of the world. It introduced groundbreaking inventions like the steam engine and weaving machines, making industries more efficient. It wasn't just about technology. It was about transforming society and reshaping every aspect of daily life. During the Industrial Revolution, industries flourished like never before. Factories sprang up, replacing small artisan workshops. Machines powered by steam and water made production faster and goods more affordable. This growth in manufacturing created an entirely new way of doing business. Jobs moved from homes to massive factories, where goods were produced on a large scale. This industrial boom turned once quiet towns into bustling hubs filled with soot-churning smokestacks. It was the dawn of mass production, changing not just how things were made, but how people lived and worked. As factories multiplied, cities grew rapidly. People flooded into urban areas, eager for jobs and opportunities. This sudden growth stretched city resources, leading to crowded living conditions, unsanitary streets, and health challenges. Cities were noisy, lively, and often chaotic places. On the bright side, urban centers became hubs of progress. They offered new chances for education and access to goods, creating vibrant communities. But life in these cities wasn't always easy, as working-class families often lived in cramped housing near industrial sites. While cities expanded, villages and farms were also affected. Many farmers moved to cities for factory jobs, leaving behind their traditional way of life. Mechanization changed agriculture, as new tools allowed farms to become more efficient, requiring fewer workers to produce more food. This transition wasn't always positive. In some rural areas, communities declined as entire families left for urban jobs. However, those who stayed behind found their routines reshaped by new technologies, balancing traditional practices with industrial influences seeping in from the cities. For factory workers, life was hard and repetitive. Long hours, low wages, and dangerous conditions defined the early industrial workplace. But these jobs also provided a steady income, something many families had never had before. Industrialization opened up new economic opportunities, albeit with many challenges. In rural areas, life wasn't necessarily easier. Farmers faced pressure to compete with urban factories and larger mechanized farms. The Industrial Revolution brought both hope and hardship, tying urban and rural areas together in a complex web of change. The Industrial Revolution didn't just shape the 19th century. It laid the foundation for the modern world. It gave us the systems of mass production, urbanization, and mechanization that define life today. From the bustling cities and advanced technologies to global trade, its influence is everywhere. It also reminds us of the need for balance. While industrial progress brought growth, it also highlighted challenges like poor working conditions and environmental impact. Challenges we must learn from as industries continue to evolve. The story of the Industrial Revolution shows how innovation can transform lives, but it also comes with responsibility. Think about the inventions, resilience, and progress it unlocked. How can you contribute to the world's next revolution? Stay curious, ask questions, and explore how history connects to the challenges we face today.